and welcome to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. Instead of French toast today, what we're going to do is pizza. Our family favorite French toast, which is chocolate peanut butter cup. Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. And again, today it's a special episode. We have a special guest, Mr. Charles Chudabala, and he's actually here in the studio right now. And I think he's coming down the hall. Charles? All right.
So happy to be back.
How you doing, man?
So good, so good. I love holidays.
Yeah, and today is our 4th of July special. And what are you doing for the 4th of July?
You know, I am looking forward to fireworks.
Right.
Legal fireworks.
Safe and sane. Safe and sane.
Yeah, you know what? And probably this year, most of all, my very first Patriotic French Toast.
Well, I can help you with that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to work on a special patriotic French toast today. And the colors that we're going to use are the American flag, which are red, white, and blue. That's why we're wearing red and blue, and we've got a white egg.
And white bread.
White bread, white egg.
Did you plan that? Making it be in the middle?
No,
You
yes.
think of everything.
Yes, I did. I think that was the art department, but that was very good placement. That was really good. Okay, so, and I know you like your healthy stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to incorporate, instead of red vines and blue candy,
right.
We're going to use an assortment of berries, some blueberries and some strawberries.
Yes, high in antioxidants.
Nice,
right over here.
okay.
Yeah, these are organic strawberries as well.
Great, great.
Thank you for that.
And what's white bread's good for nothing?
Well, I mean bleach, but enriched has such a positive, like
Nice,
it enriches
nice.
your life.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, to get to it, because I know that you are a busy man, and we've got to get out there and start our safe and sane fireworks.
Right.
What we're going to do is we are going to, and you know this part of the French toast making process, we have to put what I like to call glue on the sides of the bread. And this one today we're going to use, what do you think it is?
The spreader.
Yes, the item is the spreader. What do you think we're going to be spreading?
The cream cheese.
Very good. We're going to use cream cheese today.
I just love the spreader.
I
Ever
know.
since you introduced it, it's been trending. It's been going viral. Everybody's like, they want to see the spreader. They want to see the spreader.
He's got his own Facebook page. The Spreader.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to use the cream cheese as the glue.
Beautiful.
And then what I want to do is I want to...
Now, can you use any cream cheese? I mean, what kind are you using here? Is this...
So, I like the spreadable cream cheese, not the one that's in the block.
Got it.
Okay?
Yeah.
So any kind of cream cheese that you want, I like plain because we're already adding in other items.
Right.
Or you could, if you've got your favorite or just something left over in the fridge, you've got your garlic spread or you've got your onion spread or you've got your potato and celery spread. I'm sure they have that one. Those are all fine.
Yeah.
But for this, to not take away from the taste and the flavor of our really expensive, because, strawberries are really expensive.
Yes, yes.
We want to use something that is a little bit gluish, but doesn't have any overwhelming flavors.
Awesome.
That's the way I say it.
We give tips here at your show. Yes.
Yeah. You've been on my show quite a few times. So I'm starting to think that you've got your own parking spot out front and probably your own restroom or office by now.
Yeah.
All right. So on this side, I want to put the strawberries. Okay. And then, without breaking the plate, I'm going to spin that around. And then on the other side, I want to put the blueberries. What do you like more, strawberries or blueberries?
I actually prefer strawberries. Yeah.
To the blueberries.
To the
Okay.
blueberries. I like blueberries, but I prefer strawberries. I mean, I would be more likely to eat a strawberry pie than a blueberry pie. And I don't know what it is all my life. It just because probably the seeds are more detectable in blueberries.
Okay, I'll give you
but,
that.
But you know the crunch is there, and I don't know. But you know what? I could be a blueberry person today. But today the fusion is going to occur, so I will be everything berry.
Yeah. And what we're going to do is we're going to give you an equal number of blueberries to strawberries.
Wow. Yeah, the ratio is beautiful.
Right? Yeah. Right? And if you look at it really closely, it almost resembles a flag, doesn't it? Kind of?
Yeah, it does.
Right? We got 52 blueberries. We've got the red from the strawberries, the white in the background. Yeah. Come on.
I want to lift it up and slap it against my heart right now.
I can do that.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Safety, everybody. Ceramic plates.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to nicely, and you remember my little pat technique. Yep. We're going to nicely pat that down and hopefully not lose any of the important flavor.
Wow.
And then there's one left over.
Yeah. Oh, that's what you do with the leftover pieces.
That's what you do with the leftover one.
Cool.
Okay. So we have to make our dipping concoction, which we're going to use one egg.
Yes, exactly. Right? One egg, yes.
One egg, and what size?
Grade A.
Extra large.
Extra
large egg. And this comes from what kind of animal?
Chicken.
That's great.
I was going to say a hen, but they come from chickens. Oh, wait, no, they come from hens, too.
Aardvark. These are aardvark eggs.
All right. Well, anyways, I think eggs are important. When you want to use an egg, I think you should use an egg.
That's what we live by here at the show. Yeah. I mean, because French toast without an egg is just toast.
It's just toast. Exactly.
Yeah, it's no longer French.
Exactly.
But today, with our red, white, and blue, this is going to be freedom toast.
Ooh, I like the sound of that.
Right?
I love freedom.
So we're going to go ahead and put in a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon.
Ooh, nice. I love cinnamon. I put it in my coffee. I'm obsessed with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you can lick that.
Oh.
And then a quarter teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're going to whisk that. And I know you like whisk from last time.
I love to whisk, yeah. Yeah, and I love an egg mixture. And as many of you have watched already, this is going to be absorbed by the bread when it goes in next. Correct?
Spoiler alert.
Oh!
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So, yes, you're absolutely right. Don't give away what I do after that absorbs it. But
no, I won't.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and put that in. Give it a little.
He's using a fork to flip that.
A 4-prong fork from the local 4-prong fork store. It's an organic fork, and we will flip it clockwise.
Now, is there a reason why you flip it clockwise versus counterclockwise?
Probably because I'm right-handed.
Oh,
okay. The dominant hand will take the flip in its direction.
Right.
Okay.
Now, if you are left-handed, you can make a French toast as well. This is not only for. I think we got to make that disclaimer because
Okay. All right. That's good.
Tweet me. I don't care, but still.
I think you're right.
Yeah.
I think you're right.
But still, we want to make sure that everybody's included.
Or if you're ambidextrous. If you're ambidextrous, you can still make French toast.
Absolutely.
But today, I don't care if you're left-handed, right-handed, or ambidextrous, we're making freedom toast. You said we were going to do that.
100%. It is freedom toast.
Freedom
today
toast. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on the...
Oh, you're using that butter spray that I love.
The butter spray. If you want, we can put a little cologne.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
It's starting to feel a little dry on my left ear right now.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
There you go.
You guys don't understand the difference that this butter spray makes, with this recipe. And I tasted it myself. It's really, you can use any spray you want, but this butter spray. That's
Do not waste the leftover egg mixture.
No.
We pour it right on top.
That's right.
And we've got a nice high fire going here. And if you look right at the side here, you can see that the berries are just poking out there saying hello.
They are.
They really are. And I can...
Oh,
yep, I hear the Star Spangled Banner. I'm pretty sure I do.
Multiple languages, too.
It's it's freedom toast.
These are...
Definitely.
That's true. Okay, so what are you doing right now where you are rotating that bread?
I just want to move it around so it doesn't get bored
Right.
or lonely. No, I just, so it doesn't stick to the
Yeah.
pan, I like to move it around on the butter. But tell me, because I'm really curious, what is your best 4th of July memory growing up?
Oh, it had to be when I'll tell you, Santa Maria, California, with my family. I think we overbought fireworks. We had enough for like hours.
Safe and sane?
Yes, in Santa Maria, California. Which
Okay.
I hope it is. This is the memory I have. I don't want to, do I have to edit my memory? And, it was a lot of family. I mean, I come from a very large family.
Nice.
My mom has 12 brothers and sisters.
Wow.
And I have like 90 cousins.
Wow.
Probably about that many. And so there were a lot of us. We were all kids. They let us participate in the fireworks in the
Nice.
streets very openly. But
Nice.
there were boxes galore. So we just seeing those lights in action and being with family and knowing that there was an abundance of food and we were just celebrating with each other. Those are the days that I try to recreate even now as an adult. That
Nice.
it should be about celebration, but also just playing. Going out there playing, having fun with your friends and family, laughing, setting off a firework or two. And now, this year, hoping to add a new memory into my tradition with some French toast goodness.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. And you have all your fingers,
I do.
so then you did really good with the lighting of the fireworks.
Right.
Safely.
Absolutely. I did need an adult. So kids, use an adult to light your fireworks. If
Get
you
the
are an adult,
assistance of an adult?
get sorry, get the
Or
assistance.
use an adult.
Yes, ask politely for assistance from an adult. Yes, you're absolutely right. The power differential. This is freedom. Freedom toast. Sorry. Yeah.
Let's give that a cut and see what that looks
Oh, this
like.
is beautiful. Wow.
And let's go back over here and garnish this up.
Goodness. That color medley.
And I would like to top this with,
Oh man. Because whipped cream.
it's just, you have to do whipped cream. I feel that it is important.
Yeah, this is the only requirement. We've given a lot of freedom today. A lot of freedoms and a lot of liberties, but the whipped cream is required.
When we get in here with our...
This is the reason I keep coming back. This is exactly the reason I keep coming back to your show. Because I'm assuming that I will get to eat this. After.
Well,
No.
Well, I do think that's probably a safe assumption. But let me finish it, make it look all beautiful.
Look at that ratio, everyone. Now, making it pretty is not necessary, but, I mean, why not?
Right,
Presentation is going to bring tradition.
And then we're going to...
Oh, I was waiting for it. I was waiting for it. Yes. Look at that. Oh, wait. No, he's still moving, y'all. He's still moving. What is going on?
Well, I was
Gonna
going
add a little
to...
parsley?
I was... No, not today. I was going to go ahead and get you a fork so you could try that.
Thank you so much.
And we'll cut you off a sliver on the strawberries.
Yeah, which also contains blueberries. So no matter which side you get, you end up getting both and all of the glue deliciousness inside. I'm just gonna, last time I actually held it in my hand, but today I'm gonna actually use the fork. Hang on. Oh my God. The cream cheese. The cream cheese takes on a completely different flavor in this French toast. And the egg creates a Monte Cristo vibe with this thing that I did not expect, I'm not even sure if there's egg in Monte Cristo, but yes, the sour from the strawberry balanced with the earthiness of the blueberry and fused together with that cream cheese. You got a winner. You got a winner.
Right. And you feel freer.
I do. Not lighter though,
Not
but I
lighter.
do feel free as a bird, a very, very heavy bird.
Nice. Well, thank you very much, Charles, for stopping by.
Yes.
And thank you, everyone, for tuning in. And be safe out there. Happy 4th of July. We'd like to thank all of the people who serve our country for your service. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And tune in next time, and we're going to have something fun to share then as well. Thank you so much.